Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Vlogging Warriors. So today we have come with another new unboxing video in front of you. So let's get started. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon where you'll never miss a new update from our channel. And we have also started a new channel called Tech and Travel by Suman. You can also subscribe the channel. We'll be putting a new video shortly. We'll put the link in the description. So let's get started. So guys, in today's video we are going to unbox the ring fill light, as you can see in front of the camera. So this is the product which I had bought from Flipkart, but the box I just threw the box. So this is the product. You can see here we have a tripod stand and a light with some wires. So here they have given few things. You can pause the video and you can just read it out. I'm not making it both. So this is the side of the box. Even in backside they have given model HX 260 2620. So this light is of 26 centimeter. As you can see, it is shown over here. So without any delay, let's unbox it. I ordered it from Flipkart. So as I told you before, I got in an offer for 400 rupees. I just ordered a light. Even we get a stand according to it, but I had a stand, so I did not order the stand. If we are ordering with the stand, it will cost like 1300 to 400 range. So I did not order, so I have only this light. So let's unbox this light. So guys, when you unbox, you can see the light here. So in the package there's nothing else, with an 100% cashback because we had bought from Flipkart. So this I will keep it aside. So guys, let's come to the main product. So this is the product. You can see there's a light. Let me remove this cover. We have a mount here. So this is the light, the ring light, and we have a wire which is connected to this light, and we have a holder here. So let me just remove the wrapper and then I'll just show you.
Bring it back. Bring it back.
A golden light. We want it in a less ratio light. We can just decrease it by pressing this minus, and this button is for changing the lights, like off white and it has golden, and this is for increasing the brightness. This is for decreasing, this is for increasing. are the food which is coming out, and this is way created only, and we have this thing. So I just show you a small that is slightly different and very good. So let's get
Bring
see
it
that
back.
thing. So guys, as you can see, I am just finding from the food. So I told you, and we get a cooking over here. So now it is off. Well, I just by clicking now here, I'll just decrease the light. So this is another color. So we have three colors. So this is the golden color, this is the off-white, and this is the pure white. So these three colors comes. We can make the brightness less. So now it is in the full brightness less it is. And when I be clicking to this plus, I can get it high. I don't know whether camera is knowing the difference, but it is very high. Yes, now you can see, right? It's very high. Now it is seeing in the camera. So like this we can change it to each and every light. This is the warm light yellow. Even this we can make it brightness and dim. So now it is in the full dim, and let's change it to another color. This is the off-white. When it reaches to the maximum brightness, it get automatically off. So this is the maximum brightness. So now we are just checking in the day. Let's check in the darkness time how is it works. So let me off the light. Lights off. As you can see now there is no light. So let me just show you the difference between. Now it is totally off. As you can see, camera cannot see anything. So now I'll on it by showing. I showed you that switch, right? So when I on, you can see now I'll just make it little dim. So it is in the maximum, I think. Let's change the color. So guys, this is the light. So this is today's video. Actually I had booked from Flipkart only, just to make a video purpose, and I wanted to use it for my YouTube videos also. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and just give a like if you like this video. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel Tech and Travel by Suman. We'll put the link in the description. So let's see in the next fantastic video.